This is my cat right now. Kitty, stop being a stalker. Get down from there. Kitty, stop being a stalker, you stalker. Every time you take, Nicola, every time you take.
I need to watch that cat up in there.
Cause that cat is smart. Nicola, every time you leave and you take the cat off the thing, off the door, and you leave, it starts coming right back.
And now he's up there.
I took it off, and that cat looked at me like, I'll be back. I bet that cat's climbing right now. Yup.
Oh
That cat is Spider-Man right now, Nicola. You can't stop that cat. You can't stop Spider-Man from climbing. Spider-Man, get down. More like Kitty Man, but still. Kitty, what is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh, are you trying to get to me? Kitty, you can't go inside, okay?
Mayor's in the bathroom somewhere. Mayor, where are you? She's in your room, Mom. Akila, watch the cat. You have to watch it.
How am I supposed to watch two cats? One cat climbing the door, trying to get to me.
He's outside. The one in this house is the one that needs to be watched. Because my cat will kill it.
Whoa.
Now, if you can't do that, Bug, you just don't.
My cat is back at it again. Like I said, Spider-Man in the house. Well, outside. This is the kitty we found.
You don't get down, rascal.
This is his 10th time. The cat trying to get to me.
No, he wants me to keep her up there.
No, because the cat's trying to get me. Cause every time I take it down and I stay outside with it, it doesn't climb or meow or anything.
What, rascal?
I just told you. What's wrong with you? I'm not recording. Wait, wrong way. It's supposed to be this way. This is the kitty I got.
I got